Friends, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we will see about how to configure ZTE Wi-Fi router easily. This step-by-step guide will help you set up your ZTE router, change Wi-Fi password, and optimize your network setting for the best performance. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced user, this tutorial makes ZTE router setup simple and hassle-free. Okay, let's get started. First of all, just go to browser and type 192.168.1.1, then click enter. Okay, then enter your username admin and password admin. Okay, click on login here, then click on quick setup. Now give a connection name here, new connection name. This side Ethiopia okay, then click on VPI or VCA. Just click this here and select 881. Then click on link type here. Just leave it route, and under link type just click here and select IP. Okay, good. Then IP type must be static always, and you have to enable NAT here. How to check it always? So enter your IP address. It gives from internet service provider. That means from EthioTel, for example. So just enter here your IP address. Okay. Under subnet mask, enter your subnet mask. Then gateway. Okay. Here enter DNS server. Okay. After you enter all of the data, just click on next here. Okay, good. Your data has been stored. Okay, good. Now here wireless RF mode. If you want to enable Wi-Fi, just here in you say enabled. Okay. Now just give a Wi-Fi name here. This side means Wi-Fi name. This side Ethio. Okay. Under this one, just enter your password. Here by default it gives 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. All of the ZTE router gives 8 as default, so you can change here. Let's say let's enter another Wi-Fi password. Okay, now click on next. That's good. Here you can change admin password here. Then for example, the old password is admin, and I can change to a new password. Okay, now click on next. Now click finish here. It is all about configuring ዋይፋይ ራውተር። ታንክስ ፎር ዋቺንግ